Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use universal search on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. For universal search, either navigate to the magnifier icon from the home screen by navigating to the tabs and then pressing the left arrow key and then OK. Or you can simply press the magnifier button on your remote control. And now here you can either select the category that you need, so the category of movies or TV series, or if you want to search straight away, just go to the search field, press OK, and then use your D-pad arrow keys to navigate on this keyboard. OK button to select an application or movie or a show that you want to find, and once you entered the name or just at least some characters from the name of the app or a TV show, you'll be presented with different results, and you will also see different categories on the screen. So if you are only searching for movies, then select movies category. If you are searching for a TV show, then select TV shows. Apps, if you are searching for apps, then also we have channels here, sport or YouTube videos. And then just select the result that you're looking for. Now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.